Today, we're gonna make a beef bowl.
What are we gonna need to make the meat?
Some meat, and then some celery, or some onion, and then some garlic, and then some hoisin sauce, and then some seaweed. It tastes very good. Oh, and garlic too.
And what is the best, safest way to hold a pot when we're cooking?
Like this. Never hold the middle. Not this part, not this part, not this part, or this part, or this part. But you can't hold this part because you're putting the food in there. And first, add the oil. Add some oil and a little bit oil. Okay, that's enough. Kind of like an egg. Then we're gonna heat it up, and then we're gonna put the garlic in there. Just wait for like a little second or minutes or something. Let's just put all of it in there. Put it all. No,
Slowly.
Slowly mix it around. Slowly.
And how do we know that it's being cooked right now? What do you hear?
Bubbles. And the red sign right there says it's on. Oh, that part is not getting the heat.
We don't touch this part, right?
And then we're gonna wait until it turns golden brown. Did it turn golden brown yet? When it does, we're gonna add the meat. Is it golden red or golden? Oh, I see one is golden and brown. It just looks about right. So now we're gonna slowly add the meat. Put it in there.
Slowly.
Put all of it. Add some more meat. Add some more meat. Add some more meat. Some more meat. All of it in there. Oh.
Do you smell that?
That smells good. Now you just gotta scoop it in. Looks good right there. We're gonna cook it until it's nice and brown. I'm gonna watch. Now we're gonna add some black pepper. Now we're gonna add some salt. Like that?
Turn it.
Like this?
Hold
This
it
side?
and turn the top.
Now we gotta add some soy sauce. It's supposed to look like this, and the cap is different, so. Okay, add some soy sauce. Soy sauce, soy sauce. Okay. It's very bubbly and hot.
What was that?
Very bubbly and hot. So never touch the muddle. And never touch the meat. Never. I say never. Never. Look it. We could add the hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce. Okay, this is hard.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay, now we're gonna mix it around. Mix it around. Hold it. Hold it. We're gonna add. Now we're gonna add half the onion and save some for later. Didn't you hear what I said? Half. Not all of it. Oh my God, that smoke is so hot. Oops. There, that's half. Look, ta-da, that's half. You gotta help your mom and dad so they don't get tired. Because I'm gonna help them for a whole week. For a whole week. Remember why I said save half? Because you're gonna sprinkle it on the top. Then use all of it, right? Use all of it on the top. And there. yumminess and the smelly.